Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate it. Now, some of you longtime viewers remember when I went to the Madras Antique Airplane Museum. If you haven't seen that, you can see it right up there at the link. But today we're back at the Madras Airport for more antiques. This is the Central Oregon Cascade Airshow, and a lot goes on. Now, I've been into this event once about 4 or 5 years ago, but I wasn't sure it was going to go on today because it's been so smoky in the area because we've had wildfires. They're going ahead with it, and we'll be there. You won't see some of the cool backgrounds that you'd normally see because you can't see the mountains from here. You can't see the Cascades because of the wildfire smoke. But other than that, we're going to have some good airplane video, I'm pretty sure. Also, it isn't enough to have airplanes. They want cars too, antique cars. So we're going to look at some classic cars here at the show. So come along, let's be plain. Hello, Your Majesty.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. I'm Manju. Manju?
I'm Ted.
Nice to meet you.
Grateful Ted.
Yeah.
How have you been?
Good.
All right.
Yeah.
What's new for you?
I am currently in a program that's training me to do research in space. My background's in physics. Yeah, so
Okay.
I'm excited to be here.
I'm at space all the time.
Yeah.
You know? That whole time-space continuum.
Right. It's great.
Yeah, yeah. Are you having fun?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I just got here, but I'm already having fun.
All right, we'll have more fun.
Thank you. Nice
All right,
meeting
see ya. Hi, my neck needs correcting. Can you guys correct it for me? Oh, darn. Okay, well. All right. Now, wait a minute. I know this car. I know the owners, Mary Krenowitz and Dennis Prince. And so let's see if we can find Dennis and see what he has to say about this lovely antique. A lovely antique.
It's the Grateful Ted.
It's Grateful Ted, that's right. Tell us about this lovely antique, Dennis.
Well, this is one that Carol Merrill was pointing to. It's a 1924 Model T Ford, all original, 20 horsepower. The things it doesn't have are endless. It doesn't have an oil pump. It doesn't have a fuel pump. It doesn't have a water pump. It doesn't have turn signals. It doesn't have, well, it does have brake lights now because they've been added to it, but it
doesn't have Bluetooth either, does it?
No,
okay.
No, it doesn't.
All right.
Bluetooth, if you remember when we were kids, Crest would come to the school and they'd give you a blue tablet.
That's right.
Put it in your mouth.
Yeah, and your teeth would be blue.
Yeah, and your teeth would be blue. That's Bluetooth to me.
Okay, all right. So how long have you had this car?
I've had this car for about 20 years now.
And do you enjoy it?
Oh, I love it.
How often?
This car I don't drive as much as the others. I've got 5 Model Ts, a Model A, and then it goes to 53, 63, 67 to the new cars.
Well, thanks very much for talking to Gratefully Dedicated.
Yeah, you're welcome, Ted. Good seeing you.
Good to be seen.
Good thing we did.
Oh, wait a second. Okay, so you're Felix in Michigan. Okay, common core? I guess. Oh no, that's his sister. Oh, that's right there.
You're welcome. Is there anything I can tell you about this airplane?
It flies.
It flies.
There you go.
It's used predominantly for search and rescue.
For what?
Search and rescue.
Right. Yes.
So,
That's what this tail says.
exactly, and that's what those instruments are up there. We also teach cadets.
You teach cadets.
There's young kids running around over here.
What do you teach them?
We teach them, yeah. Teach them how to fly.
Okay.
Fun times.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So everybody is getting ready for the show. Which happens right out there.
At the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars the rosy does that star-spangled.
So we're in a pause here while they wait for it to get a little darker. Time to get some food or some water or whatever else. And then there's going to be what was explained as a pyrotechnic glider. Wonder what that looks like. So that was the Cascade Air Show. I hope you liked it. If you've been to air shows, comment down below. Tell us what you think about air shows. If you happen to like what you saw tonight, give it a thumbs up. And I can always use subscribers. Things like this, it costs money to get in. And if you want to help support the channel, there's a thanks button down below. And you can click on it and you can help support the channel that way. Another way to help support the channel is to comment and give it a thumbs up. It helps other people discover it. The algorithm says I'm not going to have 1,000 subscribers for another 5 months. Let's beat the algorithm. Next week we've got something really different, and we will see you next week.